Now, KLBK's first warning weather with Chief Meteorologist Jacob Briley.
Well, good Thursday evening, South Plains. Thanks so much for tuning into your KLBK News at 10 o'clock. Today, if we could just put it on repeat weather-wise, would be fine by me. We stayed in the 80s, and it looks like tomorrow could feature much of the same, but let's focus on tonight for now. Right now, across the region, we are seeing some calming conditions. This is a live look back over downtown Lubbock from our Metro Tower Live Sky View camera, where we've had some clouds on and off today. No rainfall, though, officially in the city of Lubbock just yet. We are sitting at 78 degrees, a mostly clear sky being reported at Preston Smith International Airport, but we are still seeing some clouds around the region. Winds out of the northeast right now at 8 miles per hour. Dew points in the 60s, which is a good sign of moisture, especially on West Texas standards, okay? We're at 75 in Post, 68 Friona, 80 in Seminole, 83 in Childress. Those temps are ranging anywhere from the upper 60s into the low to mid 80s as of the 10 o'clock hour. We were tracking some storms earlier, still some light rain showers from Snyder back up through Jayton here in Kent County. Most of that activity is moving out, but it's this region here that we'll be watching tonight as our stalled out stationary front is here, and it's going to be with us the next couple of days and could act as that firing mechanism for some showers and storms overnight. So let's go forward in time and track these out. By 2 a.m., notice some light showers developing near Spur, back towards Paducah and near Rawls. That activity could fill in as we go overnight tonight, especially along the Highway 82, 114, down to the Highway 380 corridor, basically from Morton down to Plains. This general region here is where we're expecting that to develop. That activity will slowly shift to the south through sunrise tomorrow. Maybe some locally heavy downpours too. Lows tonight through tomorrow morning cooling into the low 60s over northwestern areas, low 70s over the southeastern South Plains into the rolling plains. And then tomorrow, highs back in the mid 80s to low 90s. We'll be at 92 Snyder, 92 Hobbs and Seminole, 88 for Clovis, 86 in Friona and Dimmitt, 89 for Lubbock, and 89 up in Childress as well. But tomorrow we could see those scattered storms develop around the region. Just a general thunderstorm risk, really not expecting any widespread severe potential, which is the good news there. But by the time we roll into, say, lunch hour on our Friday, mostly clear for some of us. We will keep a partly cloudy sky through most of the day, and then it's that 2 to 4 p.m. window. We start to see that isolated shower and storm activity bubble up once again. Should linger through about, say, sunset or so. Then overnight we'll be watching for maybe that next wave of shower and thunderstorm activity. That's going to linger into early Saturday morning, and then we'll do it over again by midday Saturday. We'll dry out, but during the afternoon and evening hours we'll see more development. For our Friday, though, we're looking at that marginal risk of flash flooding around the region. So wherever these showers and storms pop up, like we saw today down in Post, right, they're going to produce a heavy rainfall. Now, not everyone's going to get in on that heavy rainfall, but those of us that do will have to be concerned with maybe that low end flood potential. But after Sunday, take a look at this big time pattern change setting up for our area. Really haven't had to deal with a stagnant ridge of high pressure yet, but it's coming here now that we're in August. Notice by Tuesday morning, that ridge really starts to build over our area. Those shades of maroon indicating higher pressure, higher heights across our area, which means we've got a lot of sinking air, a lot of compressional heating, and that is going to lead to multiple days with highs in the triple digits, not only next week, but likely the week after that. Notice from August the 6th through the 10th, now a 70 to 90% likelihood that we're above that average high of 94 and that average low of 69. And as we look from the 8th through the 14th of August, still trending above average with about a 60 to 70% likelihood of staying above those average highs. And the Climate Prediction Center also highlighting the majority of our area with a 40 to 60% likelihood of seeing hazardous heat in our region, which means triple digits. Now those are going to stick with us. They start to move in Sunday. There is the chance we're actually below 100 degrees on Monday, but again, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, yuck, 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 103 by Thursday evening. So I just want the record to show next week for all of you saying I'd rather have the summer heat than the winter cold. I better see some pictures of y'all outside enjoying it next week. Right. But wear that sunscreen, stay hydrated because it's moving in, and unfortunately it looks like it's going to be here to stay.
Mosquito repellent.
Oh my goodness. You know, maybe that'll be the good thing out of this drier, warmer pattern. It'll get rid of them, but also your pets. If you go out on walks, do that in the morning hours if you can. You don't want to burn their poor paw pads down on the concrete. Even after the sun sets in the evening, that concrete's going to hold the heat for a little while. So remember our pets too.
Yes.
Speaking of mosquito repellent, not a commercial plug here, but I've seen now.
I know. I'm going to put those
Hey,
on my
bracelets
arms
as
and my
well.
legs.
Without
A
spraying.
parent's perspective, that is the best thing.
Yeah.
Instead of having to spray that all over
For sure,
them.
those are
And
very
it
nice.
stinks and it's sticky.
The bracelets are good. Get a good citronella plant too.
Yeah, that as well.
Good idea.
Thanks, Jacob.
Of course.